This is Hi guys, it's me T Furtala. Today I'm gonna read I Know. Okay, that's what. Okay. Let us see how honest you are. The following are situations for you to ponder. At the right side of the situation, check column I have if you have done the action. If you have not checked the column, the action, I have never remembered to be honest in answering. I took coins from my father's coins purse. It is just a small amount for him to notice anyway.
Did you get coin?
I have never. That's bad. What am I gonna do?
Check.
And then I'm gonna check it if it's good.
If you do it.
Yeah. I copied my classmates' homework. Never. I let my classmate or seatmate copy from my jewelry
Me.
during a quiz or an
Examination.
No, that's bad.
Write
That's
properly,
cheating.
check, ha?
I pretend to study, but I was really
Browsing.
browsing my cell phone. When my parents were not looking, check.
What's that?
That's bad.
Did you do it?
No. I told my mother I had already brushed my teeth. I am feeling lazy to do it. But I have not yet because I am feeling lazy to do so. Bad.
You did not.
Your breath will
No,
be
I'm
stinky.
asking you if you have done. I have never. You did not do that. I have you do that. Did you tell me a lie?